right now, Dogecoin is continuing to see nothing happen. Yeah, come on, Dogecoin, what the heck are you doing? We're waiting for a big spike. I mean, yeah, it has fallen some in the last month, but as of the last few days, it really has not moved much at all. On the contrary to that, we have continued to see the stock market falling massively, with Tesla itself going down a staggering close to half of where it was at its all-time high. Tesla at the very top was around $1,200 per share, and that's even more crazy when you consider the fact that there was not that long ago a stock split. So it's even really, truly higher than that if you're still thinking of it from the mindset of earlier prices. So with that, Tesla is now starting to be the focus of some eyes. People are criticizing it. People are wondering, does it deserve to fall? Will it go back up again? And I've been saying on my show for a very long time, I love Tesla stock. It certainly has fun. If you're investing in it, I hope you do well. It does have the energy ability to go up at any point in time. However, from a metric standpoint, Tesla has been overvalued for a very long time, and technically speaking, it is still overvalued right now. And what I mean by that is the amount of money coming in terms of revenue and in terms of profits, does not equate to the share price and to the market cap being as high as they are. Tesla is an energy stock that's largely based on the future, but even if a lot of those things of the future were to come to fruition, that price is still relatively high. Now, that doesn't mean we can't see a big spike again for Tesla stock. We absolutely can, but it's going to take a lot of energy rather than some of the hard metrics that typically can propel a stock to a higher amount. Now, one thing that we have been seeing people say is that this is because Elon Musk has started to tweet things out that are controversial, and no, that's not true at all. Tesla stock has been on a little bit of a downtrend for a while now, simply because of the massive market cap that it went up to, and when it goes to a market cap that insanely high, you have to see some pushback. You just simply do. The market has to balance out. On top of that, we have seen stock like Microsoft that has gone from close to 400 to now around 250. We've seen Apple stock going from close to 200 to now down to around 130. So both of those stocks, tech stocks, have fallen a lot as well. In fact, the entire market, we have seen a lot of drops all across the board with major stocks. Now, a couple of them are doing okay, but most of them have been hit. They've been shellacked, and we could be at the precipice of a recession. However, in fact, it's already kind of happened a little bit. I mean, let's be honest. We're already in a bit of one right now. Will it be a big one? That's yet to be determined. Now, that won't last necessarily super long, right? They never do. But it's still true that we should be, to some degree, worried about that. Now, from the perspective of crypto, what happened the last time we saw a big economic disruptor for the entire economy? Yeah, that's right. During the beginning stages of the entire situation that happened with the world, we saw cryptocurrency going crazy. One of the biggest booms in cryptocurrency's history was during that time of economic uncertainty in the entire world, really largely. When there's economic uncertainty, cryptocurrency should, in theory, do really well, because that is outside of the typical systems. So I do not think you should be worried about crypto. In fact, now is the time to be even more optimistic in it overall. It was actually looking a little bit more gloomy for crypto. This actually, unfortunately for the world, but fortunately for crypto, could change things to some degree, even though, technically speaking, we don't really want to see the entire economy crashing. No one wants to see that happen. However, from the perspective of crypto, there are some silver linings. Anyway, make sure to subscribe with the notifications on. I'm Wallace. This is Final Stand, and I will see you in the next video.